Good afternoon there, friends. Good day, good day. I hope you're having a fantastic day. A day as good as mine. Hey, today we're in the Las Vegas Strip. Another coming out day of checking out a few of the hotels that are casinos rather that are not open. We decided to check out the Linq Promenade today. A little bit of sightseeing and perhaps a bite later. I want you to indulge with me as we check it out. As you can see, Las Vegas has come alive. The base of my home. Yahoo! Alright. So here we are. We're gonna park a little bit and then get towards that destination, the Linq Promenade. But you're looking at the cross section of Flamingo Road. View of Aria, Bally's in Paris, and to the right, of course, the Bellagio. We're heading away from the Strip bus just for parking purposes. Okay guys, so here we are. The Linq has come alive. Checking it out today. The Linq Promenade is something that is built for pedestrians. In the busy time of the year, this area is normally buzzing shoulder to shoulder. At this point, we're still going through that cocoa thing. So in a sense, it's a great idea that is kind of sparse instead of being shoulder to shoulder. So here we are. The Linq Promenade consists of shops and mainly restaurants. So we're giving you a view of the promenade, the Linq Promenade, home here in Las Vegas. Hey, so here we are, continuing at the Linq. Here, guys, we have the Brooklyn Bowl. Brooklyn Bowl is a very popular entertainment complex. This venue see the likes of Jimmy Cliff, Morgan Heritage, Taurus Riley, and many, many more. A part of the Linq Promenade shopping and entertainment complex. Now we're heading to ride the observation wheel. A must-do when you're at the Linq. Let's get on board. All right, on. Here we are, guys. Now we're boarding. All right, time to give you a very good view of what's happening here in Vegas on the high roller.
Grab your shotgun. But you can't live from this big satin. So we're miles away, over and the red sky with the mountains. Someday we'll be friends. Somewhere
Hey guys, isn't this view beautiful? And we're not even at the very top. Awesome view of the Las Vegas Strip from the high roller. Guys, we're finally at the top. Here we are. The world is in your hand. 360 view of Las Vegas Strip. Wasn't that fantastic? I hope you enjoy the view. So guys, the views that you observe at this point, the view you observe at this point, it's a daytime shot. You should see this at night. It'll blow your mind. It's absolutely beautiful. That is when Las Vegas, City of Life, comes alive. Hey guys, welcome back. It's chow time. We're here at a bistro in the Linq Promenade called the Favorite Bistro. A place that we've done a couple of times. They had some healthy choices on their menu. So this is their menu. And I will indulge you as to what's for light/late lunch dinner in a little bit. Hello there, friends. Here we are again. While we're waiting for our late evening lunch/dinner, here, grab a glass of Sauvignon Blanc, which will accompany my grilled salmon. And so, before I take a sip, I want to say, cheers to your health. Yummy. Alright guys, so here we are. A little bit of light/late lunch dinner. Pepperoni pizza and a grilled salmon. So, to bring you closer, before I dig in, I'm gonna say, take a bite. I'll get back to you later and give you an analysis. Cheers. Once again, guys, bros. L'chaim. Yummy. So guys, you always make fun of me because sometimes I use knife and fork for my pizza. Today I'm gonna go bare hands. But before I do, have a bite. Alright, so that was my portion of the pizza. I would say that's enough for me. That it was delicious. Cheers. So guys, I did finish lunch. I joined the Clean Plate Club. Actually learned from my mom. So from my late mom rather. So here we are. This is my plate. Down to the last 2 tomatoes. And so I think I did my best. I'm not gonna go for the tomato. I finished all my I finished all my other vegetables, my asparagus and my carrots, but I'll save the tomato for another time. So folks, this is where we wrap it up. You got the view of the Linq and a little bit of lunch. Thanks for indulging with me. You enjoy the rest of your day. For now, goodbye and cheers.